Good morning, and if you can tell by my attire, it's very early, but we have a box of goodies for the class, so I'm gonna open her up real quick. What's today? Today is the 29th, so like 18 days away or something like that. I don't know. About 3 weeks away from the class. This box of goodies I'm most ecstatic about because I got all my palettes for my students and for myself. Oh, all Juvia's Place palettes. So we have the contour palettes in various shades, and we also have the blush palettes in various shades. So I'm very stinking excited. And mind you, I did say we did get all of the palettes that we needed. We also have the eyeshadow palettes in various shades. I'm most excited for that. So right now we're going to do a quick quality check, make sure everything's good, make sure I have everything, because you know, I bought a lot. As you can see, this box is full. She's very full. So I'm just gonna pull them out. Some stuff I had to get from Ulta because Juvia's actual website was sold out on certain shades, but I did still need them. So volume 1, volume 2, medium. I believe I got dark, deep, and medium for the bronzer contours from the actual Juvia's website, and then I had to get tan and dark from Ulta's website. But I don't mind, as long as I got them. I think I got 5 of each. It's the eyeshadow palette, the blushed rose. I'm gonna open the palettes so we can see them because they're so stinking cute. There's a lot of palettes here. Now we get to open and check them out. That's the most exciting part, right? So this is my palette collection for my class. And I also want to do a little show and tell for one of the sponsors that I just got her stuff in for. She's primarily a wig maker, but she also sells lashes. So first off, super stinking love her packaging. This is how she gave me everything for all the different bags for each student. So comes with this nice huge business card. This is her information, and like I said, she's primarily a wig maker, and she's so stinking sweet. We've been talking since the sponsorship started. I'm trying to hold it and show it, but she gave me different styles of lashes. Of course, they are very pretty. I'm getting closer and closer. I only now need a few brushes, a few face brushes, and like I made a list on my phone. The gift bags, tablecloths, decorations, and what else was I gonna get? I got a cart on Walmart that I need to check out on, but I just been getting stuff as I can. And this is it. So coming to y'all raw. It is still a little bit early, but I was so excited because I wasn't expecting this till later today, so this is good. But I'm excited because I get to use these on my New Year's Eve clients this week. This is the Deep Dark Contour Bronzing Palette. If I can get it out. I like how tightly packaged it is though, because who has time? This is the packaging. So stinking super cute. And then, oh yeah. Yep. They got them packaged in here good, honey. Oh, yeah. They are what I was hoping for. Blush. Ooh. Yes, she's so stinking cute. I live for a good blush. And these pants are huge. This is volume 2 blush. Oh, I love a soft blush. Love a soft pink blush. Such cute compact palettes. They're about 6 shades each. Oh, ooh, wait till I see. Yeah, look at the shimmers, how the light is hitting that. This looks like a pressed glitter. That's cute. Warm tones. Those shimmers are gorgeous. I'm excited. So that's what I have today. I am going to continue to work on my makeup guide so that can be done, and then wait for some more money to come in so I can get the rest of the stuff that I need, you know. But yeah, stay safe out there. Tickets are still on sale currently. I don't know if I put this video before or after, but tickets are on sale. They will be on sale till January 10th, and the class is January 16th. So see you guys then, you know. Bye. That's okay.
Flowers.
They did their job for the day. We are done. Shoot was good. I'm excited. My girls were amazing, and I'm keeping them forever. So that's it, y'all. Of course, I'll show you final stuff. You have to go to my Instagram to see it, but final details will be on my page. I will link my Instagram name here as well as my TikTok, because I have stuff to put there too. And that's it, y'all. I'm so happy because everything, I finally got it out of my head. Like, it was such a relief. It was just, ooh, I was sitting on it for a while. But that's it. See y'all in the next one.